How to fix Facebook not syncing on Android? Well, there are a couple of reasons, so simply follow along. First, long press on the application and tap on the app info icon. We'll try to clear our cache. Simply scroll down to storage section and tap on it. You will see cache there and tap on clear cache at the bottom. This will remove any corrupted files. Now head back and try force stopping the application. Tap on force stop and tap on OK. Then simply close the application. If you have opened the app, then simply remove it from the menu also. Now check your internet connection. If your Wi-Fi is poor, turn on airplane mode on and simply wait for 10 to 15 seconds for it to reset your Wi-Fi. After that, turn it off and switch back to Wi-Fi. If it is still unstable, switch back to your mobile data by tapping on it right over here. Also check if you are using the up-to-date version or not. Go to the Play Store and search for Facebook and open it. And if you see an update icon in front of open, simply tap on it and your app will be up to date to the latest version. And if that doesn't work, try to uninstall and try a clean reinstall, so that may fix the problem. And also check if there is a problem on the server side of Facebook. Go to any browser and search for Facebook down detector and go to the website, and you'll see if there is any problem or not. Currently there are none. You can also see that in the graph right down below here over the last 24 hours. And that's it for this video, guys. In this way you can easily fix this problem. If you enjoy the video, consider give a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.